We're told that quadrilateral EFGH is dilated with a center of dilation at point R. So this is EFGH. This is the center of dilation. Which image represents the dilation of EFGH with a scale factor of 2? So pause this video, have a go at that. Okay, so a scale factor of 2, that means we're going to grow. Every point's going to go twice as far from the center of dilation as it was before. So you could immediately rule out anything that would shrink the figure. So we could rule out this WXYZ. We could also see that WXYZ doesn't, let's see, is it always, and yes, even within itself, it's not the same ratio of distances from the origin. So we can definitely rule that one out. Even if it was the same ratios, we would be dealing with a smaller thing. So that would, even if it had the same ratios, it would be a scale factor less than 1. So now we're left with either this STUV or MNOP. What I could do is just look at each point on our original one, EFGH, and just see where we end up if we go twice as far. So right now, let me get another color here. F is, looks like 1, 2, 3 units to the right of our center of dilation. If we have a scale factor of 2, we'll be 6 units away, twice as far. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm already liking STUV, but let's just double check. E was also 1, 2, 3 units above the center of dilation. And if we were to go twice that, we would go up to 4, 5, 6. We would go to S. Still looking good. And then we have H was 3 units to the left, and now we would go 6 units to the left to V. And then last but not least, G is 2 units below the center of dilation. So if you go twice as far because of a scale factor of 2, you would go to 4 units away. So I am liking STUV. STUV is the image that represents the dilation of EFG with a scale factor of 2.